fellas? So today we're gonna make a beat for HAKO. He just dropped a song called Money. I'll play a little snippet. He's back from like a 6-month hiatus. I thought he died. I don't know what's going on, but the song is fire. Produced by Grade and Smoke Fusion. Shout out to you guys. Go check them out. Anyway, let's get right to it. So usually for new jazz beats, you want to keep your BPMs around like 120 to probably like 140 is max. But for this beat right here, we're gonna do something a lot faster. Let's do something around 160. You know what? 159. We're gonna rock with that. And let's start out by getting some sort of key or a synth kind of sound. I'm gonna go to my Untitled kit. It might be out right now, so if you guys want to get it early, link is down below. You guys will get like the beta version, and then I'll update it with more sounds in the next like month. So that being said, I'm gonna grab this like poly synth right here, and I'm just gonna do this envelope, just put that tack all the way down, and that's it. For the scale, we're gonna do, let's do E minor. Usually for like new jazz, you just want to do like minor 7s, minor 9s, but for this kind of style, it's a lot more complicated. Like the chords are a lot crazier. So that being said, we're just gonna start building them. It's gonna be a little bit more complicated. I'm gonna try my best to explain it. Anyway, so we're gonna make a major chord right here. Let's go 2 up, and then we're gonna add a 7. Then we're gonna add a 9. We're gonna get rid of the 7th here, take the 9th and pitch it 2 octaves down, and then we're just gonna do our bass line right here. We'll do like that, and now we're gonna make a minor 7, and then we're gonna take this note right here, pitch it up. Add that E. Already has a HAKO vibe. Anyway, now we have our chords done, and these chords are pretty complicated here. I think this is called a D add 9, and this is a minor 7 with whatever this is. Now that we have the chords, let's get some other layers in here. I'm gonna grab this right here. I'm gonna add that like at the beginning, you know. So just put the release all the way down. Let's do something like this right here, and then we just add it on the 1, I guess. Clone it up. Let's just shorten this. Yeah, let's do that. And now I'm just gonna get a layer for these keys. I'm gonna grab this one shot right here, and let's just put that tack down. We're just gonna copy our chords here, just layer them. Let's get a lead. Try this one right here. I'll show you guys how to make any one-shot glide. First thing, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna set the attack all the way down, put the release all the way down. We're gonna go over here to this wrench. We're gonna hit porta on, mono on, set this to 1, and now look. You see what I'm saying? So now your one-shot glides, and you can do this with any one-shot. You know what I mean? And if you mess with this, this is how fast it takes to like slide up. I usually keep mine around here. Anyway, let's get started on the lead right here. Let's just follow our like ghost notes. Let's see how that goes. I don't know. That's the lead for now. We're gonna touch it up later. Get started on the drums right here. Trust me, this is gonna go crazy. Let's get a clap. Okay, let's get this hi-hat right here. Let's add a little roll right here. Hit Option or Alt U. And then right here you can set like how fast the rolls are. Try this right here. Okay, let's go. Let's get an 808. We're gonna use this filtered CTM right here. Let's just set the envelope and then follow our root notes right here. We're just gonna rock out. Hit Control L to connect everything, and then Control up to pitch everything up. Right, let's get another 808. I'm gonna use this one right here, and then we're just gonna copy our 808. Paste it in here, and then we're just gonna move this over like this. Let's get rid of this note right here. We need another 808. We need that womp. Let's get the penny X right here. Yeah, let's fix our lead here. It's not really rocking the way I want. off key right there. Okay, so I like this lead, but let's just try a different one, see what we like. Maybe this right here. We're just gonna fill this and put this like on the last note. Just put it right here. See how that sounds. We might have to change the note. Crazy bounce, right? Put this velocity down. Try to add like another weird 808. We're just gonna shorten this one. Ooh. What if right here we take this out and we put the penny X right there? Alright, so we have it sounding pretty good. I'm just gonna send everything to the mixer, mix the melody a little bit, mix the drums, and then we're gonna arrange. So let's do that. So this first slide thing, I have this little reverb. If you guys ever want to move your mixer tracks over, hold Alt and your arrow keys, you can move any mixer track over. Yeah, but we need to make our lead brighter. Let's add comb filters to this lead. People don't really use it often because it's kind of like a weird effect. It basically just like adds delay to the signal and then like delays it again. It's kind of confusing to understand, but it does some cool stuff. Like you hear it, it's cool. It kind of stereos it in a weird way, but it sounds nice. Add some chords to our main keys. I'm gonna do a quick little master. I'll show you guys that. Let's go to Pro L2. It's the same thing as a Fruity soft clipper, but you just have like more control over it. I'm just gonna crank it up. I just want it really loud. I'm gonna show you why it's better. If you click this right here, you pretty much just hear exactly what you're like removing. So this is everything that like clips, you know what I mean? So I have it like pretty clipped, but just keep going. Now right here is probably good. I gotta put the hi-hats down a little bit. Put the clap down a little bit too. And then right here, magic switch. This is kind of sauce. I put it on the master just because you can make it like really wide. See what I'm saying? Just make it wide right here. Like that sounds cool. Wait, let's add a slide right here. And then let's make these pan. Let's go over here. No pan. Let's pan that one there. Let's pan that one. Let's go. We're gonna do a little freestyle right here. I'm gonna show you guys my preset too. We're gonna start off with a limiter. We're gonna go over here, right click, go to noise gate, and now we're gonna get auto tune. I'm gonna put it to auto all the way up though. We're gonna add a compressor right here. We're gonna add a TQ. Basically, we're just gonna boost the highs. So let's go to 15K. We'll just crank it up. Go over here, put it to 12K, put it all the way up though. And then I'm gonna add a little EQ. What does HAKO talk about? I like money, I like band. I like money on my band, 100 in my band. I like money in my pants, 100 in my bands. Bars, bro. In my band, running fan. Oh, my camera died. I'll be back though. I like money in my band, 100 in my band. I be counting bread up at a band. I like money in my band, 100 in my band. I be counting bread up at a band. I didn't have no money in my band. I didn't hustle like the lot, 50 band. Yo, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are looking for some new sounds, or you guys are looking for some new inspiration, some new motivation, some new sauce, you know what I'm saying? Go check out my Entitled kit. Link is down below. Has a bunch of one-shots, loops, midis, phrases, mixer presets, chord progression, drums, textures, vocals, everything, you know what I mean? Everything you can need. This kit is perfect for like new jazz stuff. I really went crazy on like the lead one-shots and all that. But yeah, if you guys want to get it, link is down below. I appreciate all you guys for copying. And anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe, comment down below. I like money. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.